Just Autos was just a one shop. Now we are nationwide thanks to our distributors all throughout Australia. This video is about how you can get in contact with those distributors and what that means to you. At this stage, we have 14 distributors in your key locations throughout Australia. In 2026, we'll have a few more come on and that'll extend to that list. So within reason, you're going to find that you're going to get to a distributor very close to the capital cities.
As cars are getting harder to work on, ECUs are getting harder to develop, the multi-mapping that we're working on, the software developers that we have allow us to give a product and a software that's leagues ahead of everybody else.
People wanted what we have, and we tried to figure out a way to deliver what we have. Before we had the distributor program, they would have to come to the head office to get a Just Autos package. Pretty much all around the country, cars would come here.
We would have tilt trays turning up every day, flatbeds, everything. And we found cars were coming all the way from WA, down Tassie, all parts of Australia. And that is where we started our distributor network.
Those customers that wanted a Just Autos package or a Just Autos Touch that just lived out of reach, it was always never going to be on the cards. Now we've opened the doors for them to be able to have a Just Autos package a little bit closer to home. We're growing and it's fantastic to be a part of it.
Obviously, it's something that's taken a lot of time and homework to get it to where it is today. It took us a good 3 years to get to the stage before we could even release it as a distributor program.
We've got a really good support network across the country and the ability to help people out even from home if they need it. Being able to get something done locally with the same quality and support is absolutely brilliant.
The distributors are great. We wouldn't take just anyone on board to be a Just Autos distributor. So to have the guys that we do have is really handy, and they're doing really great work, really quality. They're super nice to get along with.
We deal quite closely with our distributor network. Great bunch of people that have obviously passed the pub test to fly our flag. It's brilliant to be able to engage with other businesses and see how they do things as well. All come under the same banner at the end of the day.
So many people want what we have and we can only service so many people. So the distributor network allows us to be able to give that product and that service, that customer experience, not only just here, but everywhere else.
So if you're interested in a Just Autos package, we have nationwide distributors all around Australia. Please get in contact with us. The guys are happy to speak to you. Look forward to hearing from you.